often do you set big goals only to feel stuck when nothing seems to change? The problem isn't with your motivation, but with your strategy. Big, ambitious goals can feel exciting, but also overwhelming. When we fail to convert our grand vision into concrete action and results, we start to feel stuck and discouraged. A key to making transformative changes is to start with micro-habits. These are small, effortless actions that make it easier to start building positive routines that support your goals. The idea is simple. Make the habits so small that you simply cannot fail. Micro-habits are mentioned in books like Tiny Habits, Atomic Habits, and Mini Habits, all under different names. But the underlying concept is the same. Our brains naturally resist change when it feels effortful or uncertain. So, the secret is to make an action so easy to do that your brain doesn't even resist. Let's break this down with an example. Let's say you want to get fit, but instead of starting with an hour-long workout daily, which can sound really scary, what if you start with just one push-up? It sounds almost silly, but that's the point. It's so ridiculously easy to do that it removes any mental resistance to take action, making it easy to show up even on your busiest or worst days. And consistency is the key to habit formation. But can such a minuscule action make any impact at all? In Atomic Habits, James Clear explains the power of compounding. By improving just 1% every day, you will achieve exponential growth of 37 times by the end of 365 days, not just 3.7 times. Small, repeated actions from micro-habits compound into significant change with minimal effort. So, how can you start building micro-habits that stick? Here are 3 powerful tips from Fogg's Tiny Habits. He calls it the ABC method. First, anchor your new habit to something you already do to create a reliable cue for your new routine. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will do 3 jumping jacks. Second, start ridiculously small. Choose a tiny version of your desired habit that can be done in 2 minutes or less. To pick up a reading habit, how about starting with, say, just 1 paragraph a day? If you want to meditate, then just sit down for 1 minute. Lastly, celebrate every win, no matter how small. Reinforce your progress with a quick celebration. It can be as simple as smiling and saying, "Yes," with a fist pump. The idea is to help your brain to associate the new habit with positive feelings so you're more likely to want to do it. The beauty of micro-habits is their adaptability. Even if you slip up, it's easy to restart. And over time, you can keep adding effortless steps that accumulate into bigger habits to transform your life without the overwhelm. To dive deeper into the power of micro-habits, check out Atomic Habits by James Clear, Tiny Habits by Fogg, and Mini Habits by Guise. Start small and learn faster with reading graphics, visual, text, and audio summaries linked in the description. Let's start with our first micro steps to positive change today.